Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the minimum payment required on your Capital One credit card bills. So according to the Capital One credit card bills, the credit card minimum payment is that credit card comes with a plenty of terms and conditions. Now there's one that's especially important to know, minimum payment. Now making minimum payment can help you avoid penalties and keep your account in a good standing when you are unable to pay a balance in full. You can use this guide to learn about. Now, first of all, a credit card minimum payment is the smallest amount a cash holder is required to pay on their account balance each month. So, making one-time minimum payment is one way to avoid penalties and late fees, and minimum payment are typically calculated based on the monthly balances. Consistently making only the minimum payment while carrying a balance can be the slowest way to pay off credit card debt, especially if new charges are made each month. Now, minimum payment amount and other account specified information can be found on monthly billing statement and by signing into your account online. So the credit card's minimum payment are usually calculated based on the monthly statement balance. The minimum payment could be percentage of a balance plus new interest charge and a late fees, or it could be a flat percentage of the entire balance. And in some cases, the minimum payment could include past due months account. Minimum payment is calculated can vary between credit card companies. You can find out how your minimum payment is calculated by checking your account's terms and conditions. So by following the steps, you should be able to know the minimum payment that is required on your Capital One credit card bill. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.